Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And yun, nandito ako para gumawa ng movie review. Yun. At ang movie na to ay Teacher's Diary. Nagustuhan ko tong movie na to kasi love story siya. Tsaka, di ba sabi ko mahilig ako manood ng mga romance, love story, ganun. Kaya nagustuhan ko tong movie na to. And nakaka-relate ako sa ibang scenes. Speaking of scenes pala, yung mga clip sa video, hindi ko na mapapakita yung ibang clips. Hindi ko na siya mapapakita kasi baka maka-copyright ako. Ayan. And hindi ko ma-upload tong video. Kaya nag-ano na lang ako, naghanda na lang ako dito sa notes ko ng mga questions and i-answer ko na lang siya. Naganda na ako dito ng answer para hindi na ako matagal. Inanda ko na siya para hindi na ako matagalan. And sinulat ko na to nung habang pinapanood ko yung movie para di ko na rin makalimutan yung mga sasabihin ko. English siya, kaya pagpasensya nyo na yung mga pronunciation ko. So, ayun. Okay. Magsisimula na. So, guys. Number 1. What is the movie all about? Teacher's Diary is a Thai romantic drama film directed by Nithiwat Taratorn. Sorry na lang sa pronunciation ko sa pangalan ng gumawa ng movie. Okay. The story revolves around the lives of two teachers, Ann and Song, who work in a rural school located in the countryside of Thailand. The film explores themes of love, sacrifice, and the importance of education. Ann and Song, both facing personal challenges and emotional baggage, find solace in their work as teachers. They come across a diary left by the previous teacher, which chronicles her experiences and emotions. Through reading the diary, Ann and Song develop a deep connection and understanding of each other, despite never having met in person. As the story unfolds, Ann and Song navigate their own struggles while also trying to improve the lives of their students. The film beautifully portrays the bond that forms between the two teachers, as well as their dedication to their profession and the impact they have on the lives of those around them. Number 2. What is the theme of this film? What are the filmmakers trying to tell us? Through the characters of Ann and Song, the film explores the theme of love in various forms: romantic love, love for one's profession, and love for the students. Despite facing personal challenges and emotional baggage, both teachers find solace and purpose in their roles as educators. The bond that forms between them, facilitated by the diary left by the previous teacher, highlights the importance of human connection and understanding in overcoming obstacles. Additionally, Teacher's Diary underscored the resilience of individuals in the face of adversity. Ann and Song navigate their own struggles while striving to improve the lives of their students, demonstrating perseverance and determination in their efforts to make a positive impact. Number 3. Is the movie at all similar to what's happening in real life? Teacher's Diary resonates with real-life experiences and struggles faced by the educators around the world. While the specifics of the plot may not directly mirror every teacher's journey, the themes explored in the film, love, resilience, and the transformative power of education, are universally relevant. The film captures the dedication and passion that many teachers bring to their profession. Like Anne and Song, educators often face personal challenges but remain committed to making a positive impact on their students' lives. This dedication reflects the real-life experience of teachers who go above and beyond to support their students academically, emotionally, and socially. Number 4. What are the key points that are most memorable for you throughout the whole movie? Impact on the whole impact on the students as Anne and Song work to improve the lives of their students. I witnesses the profound impact of their efforts. Whether through academic achievements, personal growth, or moments of connection, the film underscores the transformative power of education. Number 5. What did you learn from the movie? From the teacher's diary, I learned about the profound impact that teachers can have on their students' lives. The importance of resilience in overcoming obstacles, and the transformative power of love and human connection. The film reminded me of the value of empathy, dedication to one's work, and the potential for personal growth through acts of compassion and service to others. So, ayun. So, ayun guys. Nasagot ko na yung mga questions na ginawa ko dito. And, sasabi ko lang, nagustuhan ko talaga tong movie na to. At kung i-rate ko siya sa 1 to 10, 10 yung ibibigay ko. Dahil nagustuhan ko talaga tong movie na to. And dahil sa mahilig ako sa love story, mga romance, ganun. Kaya na-rate ko siya ng 10. And, tsaka, yung dito, yung mga ibang scene na nakaka-relate sa akin. Na nare-relate ako. And sorry talaga kung hindi ko na napakita yung mga scenes na connected dito sa questions and tsaka sa answers na ginawa ko. Natatakot lang ako talaga baka makapiright ako and hindi ko ma-upload tong video. So, tayo nyo na lang guys. So, yun lang.